Okie dokie. So I got my Opinel here, and it's kind of scratching, and that's no bueno. So let's yeah, okay. Nice. Anyway, scratching, no bueno, making some noise. Let's see if we can't fix that. Let's get this. This is always tricky. Almost there. Just a little more. Just need some convincing here. Ta-da! And this stuff is hard to bend, man. Anyway, so I'm not going to be taking out the rivet here because I need to file this off and then punch it out. But we do have our knife here. Could use some work. Okay. So there's like lots of scratching. I think, well, I have this guy that I use for my pens, and I think just giving it a nice brushed finish would help alleviate some of the damage. Not bad at all, aside from those large scratches at the top. Let's do the back. I already did a little bit of the back before. It's not my first time doing this. Careful, it is a sharp knife. Don't want to cut myself. Looks much better than it did before, aside from those deep gouges. Anyway, that's enough of that nonsense. Okay, let's get with cleaning. I want to clean off all that excess oil. Cleaning the blade shouldn't hurt. Just use any kind of tissue here. It's just alcohol. Kerosene would be good too, or lighter fluid. Use this for cleaning watches, filling up lighters, all sorts of shenanigans. It's a great cleaning agent. Look at that shine. Wonderful. Yeah, that's great. Just clean that full edge there. All right, we're good. Wonderful. Okay, let's just clean that. I think I can close that for a bit while I make sure the inside is oil free. So this is a little bit of a problem because what I'm doing is introducing water, cause some rust, but the oil's all grimy, and it would be better if I were to just thin it out, I guess, and clean all of this. No luck, so that means let's feel it. It's not that sharp. Couldn't hurt. Got the watch. Wonderful. Okay, stop wasting paper. Oof. Not bad. Not great. Yeah, a little more. Wonderful. So that's even when the blade is slightly wet. That's great. Okay, onto the ceramic. Check it out. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. That's great, 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 great. Okay. I mean, why not? knife's on fire. Actually, the isopropyl alcohol will burn, and the water that's left will do that. Anyway, that's enough fun. This is mink oil. This is great, food safe. That's pretty important. Just grab some tissue here. I don't want to use towels or anything. I mean, my finger would be better, but I can put a little bit down there, just a dab. So now it's all oiled up. Just there we go. That should be enough for quite some time, hopefully. Just greased up, nice and nice. Get our good friend here, our little retainer clip. Let's get some grease on the inside of this guy too. It's dirty, you God, it's yuck. What the Anyway, no bother, no matter. Just put a little bit of grease. Just in the crevices, corners, whatever, whatnot. Get this guy back on here. All right. And 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Perfect. It's a lot smoother. Well, I wonder why it's a lot smoother. I know why. Knife moves, opens a lot smoother as well. Just a little bit of oil down there, that's fine. Now time for the wood. A bit of that. Dry the wood. I mean, oil isn't a bad thing for it, but I have something a little better than mink oil, at least for the wood. So this is actually wood from an olive tree, so what better than some olive oil to, you know, douse it in. Get a nice amount of that. And just, you know, there we go. Now I should leave it out to dry for a few days. Well, not days, just a bit. Just completely. There we go. All shiny. Smells beautiful. And get that excess away. And that's our knife. Perfect.